Hi all, welcome back to channel. Today we are discussing how to make a plan to Munnar and what are the places we can cover up on 3 night 4 day packages, and what are the places and distance and where we can start the packages, what are the inclusion, what you can see, and what are the places we can discover, and what are the nearby area in Munnar. We are one of the leading tour operator in Munnar on our own experience and expertise to make a customized package to client. On the basis we are discussing here about how to make a tour plan itinerary. This is an ordinary itinerary for the Munnar packages. Most of the packages, the places, mostly all are same. So I will show you what are the places we can add on more and how we can make expertise packages, and your package will be memorable. So mostly the package will be start from Kochi to Munnar, almost 125 kilometers. It's like almost more than 4 hours trip from Kochi to Munnar. So mostly the package will be start from Kochi and you have to come to Cochin airport or railway station. Once the package started, your first checkout point will be Neriamangalam. It's a village in between two districts and it's a border between Eravikulam and Idukki. Once you cross the bridge, then you are reaching and enter the Idukki district. After that, your first point will be Chiyapara and Vallara Waterfalls. In Chiyapara and Vallara, one of the famous viewpoints for people can do photos, and you can explore the local markets and shopping and all is available nearby these waterfalls. And this is one of the very famous location on the day one itinerary, Chiyapara and Vallara Waterfalls. Mostly on the tour packages on the starting day you will get these two attraction. After that you are going to check in to the hotel and you are staying there, and overnight stay will be in the resort, and in night time we can explore the local market and shoppings nearby area. Like that we can do it. And day 2 will be the full day sightseeing will be started. And the day 1 you already have to travel 130 kilometers to reach in Munnar, and it can have a rest. And day 2 will be the new day, and it will be started with Eravikulam National Park, and it's a national park in Munnar. And you can see what are the things normally people can know what actually there, and you can explore the time there, you can spend the time there, and you can visit the tea factory, and there is a chance you can directly buy the pure tea from the tea factory. That is one option, and you can taste the tea also from there. And our trip will be continue to Eravikulam National Park to Kundala Dam. Kundala and Matupati Dam is a 2 lake in Munnar, and there are normal activities happening there like boating, shikara boat, kind of things will be happening there. And in our experiences as a tour operator, Kundala Dam is one of the peace and calm option for couple or small family. They can explore for the boating safari and all there. Matupati also good, but mostly when compared to Kundala to Matupati is little bit rush, and you can also enjoy the street food nearby shop in here. And in between we are going through a lot of eco points, viewpoints, and all the memorable things we can doing on this ways. All these places from main Munnar town to all these places almost 30 kilometers in circle, all will be cover these 3 places. After that we can add on one more places, that is Top Station. Actually Top Station is a part of Tamil Nadu, and you are crossing the border in Kerala and Tamil Nadu to reach in Top Station. And main attraction in Top Station is viewpoint. Top Station viewpoint you have to must visit. At least you are going to Munnar, at least you have to visit there, and there is a different climate there. Like it's a hilly area, and there is a viewpoint section and fully covered with the fog. That is very beautiful places. So more detail about the video related itinerary and all, you can go through our YouTube channel Shola Holidays, and there are a lot of videos related to top station and Kundala and everything. So you can go and subscribe our channel and you will get more update. And from Kundala to top station, it's almost 11 kilometers one side, and that itinerary will be start with Eravikulam, then Matupatti, then Kundala, then top station, like that. Then you can see here the border in Google, like we are crossing the border and we are going for this. The viewpoint of top station is one of the best places, so you can explore. Mostly in ordinary tour plan, top station will not included, so I'm recommended to anyone want to stay more days and they want to extend more days in Munnar, so you can explore in one day in top station. And there are nearby area also, you can go through Vattavada also. There's a border and you can cross to Vattavada and you can explore more other things there. After completing day 2, we are going through Munnar to Anakulum to explore the land of wild elephant. Anakulum is a village nearby Munnar, surrounding forests, waterfalls, tea garden, tribal village, all will be in one slot, that is Anakulum. And from Munnar to Anakulum, almost 41 kilometers. The route will be via Kallar Mangalam road, and Mangalam will be the before reaching Anakulam, Mangalam will be the city or main town. I will show you two routes to reach in Anakulam from Munnar. One is via Kallar, and there is one more route via Lashmi Tea Estate. So I am recommending anyone want to explore the long drive through the tea garden, villages, mountains, viewpoints, then this is a good option for you. Take a drive to Munnar via Lashmi Estate, via Mangalam, and reach in Anakulam. This is a perfect plan for you. And from Anakulam, main attraction is elephant viewpoint. Every day there are a lot of group of elephants coming in the Anakulam river and drinking. So that is one of the very attraction in Anakulam, and we can see the wild elephant very nearby and with safety. That's the main thing. There are other things we can organize other than the elephant viewpoint. So we have a jeep safari in Anakulam, and we can do tribal village visit, off-road trekking, river crossing, suspension bridge, and old Aluva Munnar road. There are a lot of much more things you can explore there, and there are a lot of staycation also available in Mangalam. Tent stay we have, tree house, cottages, resorts, star resorts, and homestay for kitchen group. We can accommodate 10 to 15 packs or more than in a kitchen group for the homestay. There are a lot of things we have for the as per your requirement, as per the customization. So this is another route I told you, and 10 kilometers you can save if you are coming via Lashmi Estate. That is the benefit, and this route is one of the very memorable route. It's a good route for riders like, and yeah, this is a Google map. I mean the pictures on the map, like how the places like to see. If you are coming to Mangalam via the Lashmi Tea Estate, it's look like this, and there is a chance to see the wild animal. Sometimes there is a large number of wild animals spotting on this way, and moreover you can explore the wildlife, the nature, village, mountains, tea garden, everything we can experience it in one slot. And I'm highly recommended if you are coming by SUV, small vehicle, or travelers, we can use this route. And if you are coming by buses or something like that, then better you have to turn your route to via Kallar. That is a good option. And this route, there are some other parts, some other area, there is some not that much good, like there are some kind of off-road kind of thing, but still it's manageable. So if you are coming this route, I know you will never be disappointed. This is another experience for you. And apart from the Anakulam, there are a lot of things to do in Mangulam. I told you earlier, like there are things like waterfalls, village life, forest, wildlife. There are a lot of much more things happening in Mangulam. We made a lot of video related in Mangulam in our YouTube channel, so you can go through it, our shorts and video, and you will get more information about what are the things happening in Mangulam. And we are one of the tour operator based in Mangulam, and we have a jeep safari, much more activities we have in there. So anyone looking Mangulam packages, you can contact us and we can add on. And anyone want to add on more days, we have option also, like we can make it 3 night 4 day as per your requirement. We can make it. We can look out what are the activities in Anakulam and Mangulam. The main activities is jeep safari, and jeep safari will covering 2.5 kilometers off-road trekking, tribal village visit, waterfalls, check dam, and river bathing. It's actually for safer for children also, and if you have a family, then this is a good option for river bath and river crossing, suspension bridge visit, old Aluva Munnar road visit. There are much more things we can do in Anakulam. And evening, mostly the evening time, the elephant are reaching, and you can see here in the video there are group of elephant are coming and doing. There are much more things is happening, and you can check in our channel and all the information about what we discuss on this 3 night 4 day itinerary. All the information related, tea gardens, everything we clearly cover up. So anyone looking Munnar and Anakulam, Mangulam package or any other Kerala destination, you can contact us. Moreover, if you have any requirement for jeep safari, and you can contact this number. We are available 24/7. The main speciality to take jeep safari from Anakulam is the route is one of the longest off-road route. It's almost covering 2.5 kilometers, and no other nearby Munnar will not cover this much long distance, and that is a main speciality. And the trip will be like this in this short, so you can see how it will be. Are you looking Kerala package? You can contact us. You want customization in your itinerary? We have the options. You can discuss with us. We will explain you how to make the package. And any of your friends or relative recently planned trip to Kerala, please share this video to them and let them get an idea. And you have any inquiry about Kerala packages, you can contact us on this number. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and support. Thank you. We'll see you another video.